Happy Friday. Today is January 25th of 2019, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for subscribers. Today, I will review yesterday's update, the 24th of January, and then we'll also discuss today's recent price movement. So at this point in time, all that we are waiting for is a sudden price reversal followed by a spike, catching everybody off guard. In yesterday's update, I included two spike charts, both of which can occur. I do believe spike chart 1 will end up being the one that plays out, but again, if it does spike this coming weekend, then it would obviously be cycle chart 2. So starting with cycle chart 1, Bitcoin currently trades, and this is the GBT stock ticker, so this chart are daily candlesticks not including weekends, Monday through Friday. So today's candlestick, which is not on this chart, will be sitting right here, and you'll see Bitcoin's candlestick is sitting right here today if you check the chart. So it's sitting right above GG. We should now expect on Monday a push higher, Tuesday, and then Wednesday followed by Thursday a vertical spike possibly into Friday latest. So in this chart we're looking for a move late next week, which is going to cause Bitcoin to sharply explode vertical. And again, our price target is 7,000 or greater on the quick, sudden, sharp move. Now, if we look at cycle chart 2, today Bitcoin again is just stuck right under, and it's actually broken out already above the wedge. And so all that remains is a sudden vertical explosion. And if it plays out to be this chart, it will be an explosion likely beginning tomorrow Saturday into Sunday, then a little pullback and then higher again. So either way, this chart and this chart basically point to a very powerful point here late next week, whether it's slowly up and then an explosion, or an explosion this weekend followed by a drop and then push higher into again late next week Friday and then into early February. So either way, all the analysts that are calling for a price drop in Bitcoin are about to be proven drastically wrong, but this will be painful because those that have not bought yet and are waiting for Bitcoin to drop under 3,000 are going to miss what's about to happen, because rather than it dropping down under 3,000, it's actually going to nearly double in price, exploding up to $7,000. Let's scroll over to page 3, and so if we draw a support line underneath the channel, you'll see that this line does come in right over $7,000. So on a spike, we should see Bitcoin quickly vertically explode and then come into resistance at the $7,000 level up here. Now it could go higher, but again, this 7,000 point level, this line should serve as a stopping point temporarily before it comes back and then explodes vertical even higher. So again, as of yesterday, Bitcoin is stuck right here, just under this purple-blue EMA line, and Litecoin already broke through it yesterday and it came back and retested it today. So Litecoin already broke through this line. Litecoin just needs to take out the 55 EMA, then it's off to the races. So Bitcoin is still stuck here, and Litecoin is already in between the two, ready to take off. I do want to show you this really important chart here on Litecoin priced in Bitcoin. So this chart shows that Litecoin is going to far outperform Bitcoin this year, or at least in the next few months. So what we're seeing here is you'll see this buy signal where the 20 EMA, the green line, crossed through the blue 55 EMA line. Now this hasn't happened for many months. So now that we've got this cross, this is actually a buy signal to buy Litecoin relative to Bitcoin. Now notice this green line has actually served as general support. It went up, came back and dropped, and it's been playing on and around this green line, the 20 EMA line, for the past couple of weeks. And you'll notice yesterday it actually pushed higher again, and today, not on this chart, but it slightly pulled back and it came back up again. Therefore, at this point in time, Litecoin is about ready to explode relative to the price of Bitcoin. So in other words, it will outperform it. And then this secondary buy signal hasn't occurred in 12 months. So this middle Bollinger Band line has never crossed the blue 55 EMA line. The last time it did it was in December of last year, and that's when Litecoin started to shoot up over $300. I have a target here of $65 for Litecoin. I believe that's going to be very conservative. More likely, I think we'll see 3 digits on Litecoin, so probably $100 on Litecoin on the spike. So we'll see. But again, we're watching this weekend. We're watching all of next week. We are at a very critical point in time, not for the cryptocurrencies, but for our world. You have to understand that if the cryptocurrencies explode suddenly, sharply, it's because something happened. Did the dollar just get devalued? Did the stock market suddenly plunge? You know, what caused the world to suddenly flee paper and jump to cryptocurrencies? Those who are following gold also realize that today gold got over $1,300. Gold hasn't taken out $1,300 in over a year, and today it did. And the reason it did it because gold and cryptocurrencies are moving together, and both are about to explode. So we live in biblical times. We are about to see an incredible shift of our financial system from this paper debt-based monetary system to an asset-based system of gold, silver, and again, the entities that do not want gold and silver to explode in price have created cryptocurrencies, and the cryptocurrencies are what's going to catch up all the liquidity, and then as gold and silver explode, the cryptocurrencies are also going to explode vertical in price as a monetary system suddenly changes, and it's going to happen very sharply, catching everybody off guard. So it's really important to be positioned here, have your coins off of the exchanges, and just enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Make sure you have some food and water in your house. It never hurts to be safe and prepared. So have some extra stores at home, because you never know what can happen. So no one knows how this is truly going to transpire, so it never hurts to be safe. But again, the charts clearly indicate something very big is upon us. So may God bless you and your family. Be well. Have a fantastic weekend. We'll chat next week. Thank you.